What's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool trick on how to turn your iPod Touch or iPad into a fully functioning iPhone. Now, this uses a free app called TextNow. And basically what it allows you to do is create an account, it'll assign you a phone number, and then you can make SMS text messages with it and make phone calls with it, and all completely from your iPad or iPod Touch, in my case here. And just to show you, this is an iPod, not an iPhone. It says it right there, and you can also tell because there's no microphone up here. And speaking of there not being a microphone up there, that is the only downside with this, pretty much. I mean, there's two downsides. The first downside is that you don't get a speaker up to your ear, so if you're going to be making voice calls, you're kind of going to have to be listening like this, or just be doing it on speaker, which is a lot easier. And then the other downside is that, of course, since it's an iPod Touch, it does not come with, data. It's not a cellular device. Now, if you get a cellular iPad and get data, that would be different. But if you have a cellular iPad, then you wouldn't need this app. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is super cool. I just put together this little picture here I just thought I'd make it something cool. If I'm able to, I'm going to set it as the thumbnail for this video. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and get right into this. It's very easy. Let's go. So, just going to show you, here's the app icon, TextNow. And going ahead and launching the app, you can see we have our conversations right here. And I don't want to open this menu here just because it'll display the phone number that I'm using for this. Now, it does assign you a random phone number, and but it just gives you some general options. You'll kind of see once you do it. This video is just supposed to be the basics. So here are my conversations. These conversations are with my personal iPhone that I use as my personal phone right here. So just to show you that this works, let's just go ahead and send a text. Hey. And then you can see, here it does come in on my iPhone, and there it is. And then I can send a reply, yo boy, yo boy. And then that actually came in faster than when I sent it to my own personal device. But yeah, it actually works. Let's go ahead and give ourselves a quick call. And you can see it works. And then I can also do it from I can also call this number from my phone. I'm just going to demonstrate the voicemail option.
Dude, answer your phone.
Yeah, come on, man. Seriously, answer your phone. So you get the idea, you guys. This totally works. And as you can see from the conversations up here, it does work, and you can see any voicemails I get on here go right here.
Hey YouTube, so this is just a demonstration that you can leave voicemails with this app. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. And I found that I could send and receive pictures just fine. So you can see here, I received these pictures and sent these ones, and the only problem I had was with video. Now, when I sent a video, it didn't actually come in as a video file. Like, I didn't get this, like, it wasn't a video like this, like it would be on any other phone. Rather, I got a really strange long link. So I sent a shorter video down here. So like I go to it, I have to open it in Safari, and then it goes to what you think will be fine. So it's like this media thing with like TextNow, but like I never actually get a video. Like I waited for a long time, longer than I'm going to now, and I just never get a actual video file. So that's something that I think TextNow, the developers, should fix. But that's really like my only complaint about this. It works really well, you guys. So if you want to turn your iPod Touch into a phone, as long as you have Wi-Fi, you have full capabilities. Now, the only thing that I will mention is that it cannot be used to make 911 calls. I don't really know why, but I know they have their reasoning for it. That's just a screenshot of it, that just to show you guys that. But yeah, guys, it's pretty darn cool. And if you guys want to try this out yourself, this with the iPod Touch and this app, you're basically getting an iPhone. So if you guys want to, the iPod Touch is significantly cheaper, or the iPod Touch is significantly cheaper. So if you guys want to go ahead and try this out for yourself, you could save a lot of money on an iPhone, and you don't even need a cellular plan or anything. So yeah, guys, that just turns your iPod Touch into a phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Peace!